If you're getting a blank screen in RStudio, it might be a rendering issue. Since version 1.2, RStudio uses a new Chromium-based rendering engine, which sometimes doesn't play too well with GPUs or drivers. So to fix this, what we want to do is disable the GPU. Let's open up terminal with command space, type in term, and then type export RStudio Chromium arguments. This is case sensitive, by the way. Equals open quote dash dash disable dash GPU end quote, and open up RStudio with applications rstudio.app / contents / macOS / RStudio. Now your RStudio should properly render, but this only works for one session. To make this a permanent fix, what you want to do is go to Tools, Global Options, Advanced, and under OS Integration, where it says Rendering Engine, instead of having it selected to auto detect, select Software. Press OK, and restart RStudio. Now RStudio should properly render the next time you open it up. And that's pretty much it. I'll leave a link below if you want more info on how to get this to work. And please do not subscribe. Thank you.